Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have been seeing the Dubai chocolate craze all over social media. And in my opinion, this Ceres Gourmet Dubai pistachio chocolate bar definitely lives up to the hype. I find it has this delicious combination of textures and flavors. The creamy pistachio goes so perfectly well with the toasted kunafa. It has this really satisfying crispiness in the filling, and this makes me just keep coming back for more. I find that the filling is flavorful without being too sweet, and it goes so well with the milk chocolate coating. I was really surprised and impressed to see just how big these chocolate bars are. They go a really long way. They really don't skimp out when it comes to the filling either. As soon as I broke one open, I was immediately struck by how generously filled they are. Every last detail of the packaging is beautiful. The bar is inside this really elegantly decorated box, and the bar itself is wrapped really well too. If you haven't yet had the chance to try out the Dubai chocolate bar trend and you don't feel like making one yourself, well, I think that this Ceres Gourmet one is a really tasty way to try it out. But that's just my point of view.